Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a plus b equals to 9 and ab equals to also 9, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So here first we take this is equation number 1 and we take this is equation number 2, and now here in order to find the value of a and b we need to first focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 here we move this a to the right hand side and it will be written as b equals to 9 minus a, and we call this is our equation number 3. So now here we need to substitute this value of b in equation number 2, so that equation number 2 implies that this is ab and we have the value of b is 9 minus a, and this is equals to 9. So here we need more simplifications, and now we multiply this a on both of these terms and it will be written as 9a minus a square equals to 9. So here further you see that this equation is the quadratic equation but not into the standard form, so that now here first we convert this into the standard form. For this we need to move these two values to the right hand side. So you see that this is minus a square. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes plus a square. This is plus 9a, it will becomes minus 9a, and this is plus 9 equals to 0. So further you see here this equation becomes quadratic in standard form, and here now we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a capital A equals to 1 and capital B equals to minus 9 and capital C equals to plus 9. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So you very well know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as small a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the value of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, and it will be stated as a equals to minus b, and the value of b is minus 9, and plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 9 square, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is also 9, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a equals to 1. So further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a equals, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 9, and plus minus square root of minus 9 square equals to 81. So this is 81, and 4 times of 9 becomes 36, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So here further we see that this is 9 plus minus 81 minus 36 is equals to 45, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two values of a, and now here we write these two values in separate form. First we write the positive value, it is a equals 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. So these are the two values of a, and now here we need to find the corresponding values of b. So to find the values of b we need equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is implies that b equals to 9 minus a, and now here we need to substitute above both values of a in this equation in order to find the corresponding values of b. So we have b equals 9 minus a. Here we substitute this value of a, and it will be written as 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. And similarly here in parallel we need to substitute this value in this equation, and you get here b is equals to 9 minus a. So here we substitute this value of a, and it will be written as 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. So here further we need to simplify both of these equations in order to find the value of b. So here first we focus in this equation. Now we take the LCM of this equation, and its LCM are 2. So you have 2 times of 9 becomes 18 minus here you get 9 plus square root of 45. Similarly, in that case, here we again take the LCM of this equation, and its LCM again are 2. So we will obtain here 18 minus this is 9 minus square root of 45. Okay. So that here we need more simplification, and we write it as b is equals to, here we need to multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as 18 minus 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. And similarly in this case we have b is equals to 18 minus 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So in this case we here we again multiply this negative sign on both of these terms. Similarly here we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms. And now you see here we have b equals to 18 minus 9, and 18 minus 9 equals to 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. And similarly in that case we have b equals to 18 minus 9 is 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So this is the value of b corresponding to the value of a is, we just write it here, the value of a in that case is 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So these are the values of a and b, or this is the first solution. And similarly here this is the value of b, and corresponding value of a is in that case is 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation, and we write the solution set is in this form. The first solution is 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2, and 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. This is the first solution. And the second solution is 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2, and 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.